Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly show you our 2015 Volkswagen Jetta that we just got in. This vehicle is finished in a beautiful silver paint with a nice, beautiful gray interior. This vehicle comes with a 5-speed transmission linked up to a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and the front does have nice WeatherTech mats. Rear passengers are treated to a nice amount of leg space there, good amount of head space, 2 cubbies, and a 12-volt outlet. This vehicle also does come with a sunroof, and here's the view of the front. Coming around to the rear cargo space of this car, you have a 60/40 rear split bench there, so you could fold it and modify it based on what you need. You have a nice opening on the side, left and right, making full use of this back area. Perfect for fitting any projects, a box, instruments, whatever you might be carrying. Coming around the car right now, you will notice the beautiful 16-inch aluminum rims. And here's the driver's cockpit. Got your regular window switches, door locks, mirror switches, forward adjustment, back adjustment. You also have height adjustment manually in the driver's chair. A nice feature of this vehicle is that it does come with a sunglass holder. Very nice, very easy to store your sunglasses. Down low you have more storage space with an auxiliary and 12-volt outlet. Climate control is done with AC, but you also get the benefit of having heated seats. You have Sirius XM radio available. Here's a quick image of the backup camera. And this car also does have Bluetooth. Looking at the quick steering wheel setup of this vehicle, you do have all of your cruise control switches on the left, as well as your volume. Here you have all of your voice commands, as well as your phone pickup, and a couple of media switches as well. This vehicle has 94,297 kilometers on it. And once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly walk you through this car. We are available for all of your vehicle needs, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Looking forward to serving you. Thank you and take care.